food lovers, welcome back to I Love Cooking. Today, we're diving into a recipe that is all about indulgence and flavor, a garlic butter rye steak, perfect for a special dinner or just treating yourself. Let's get started. Here is what you will need to create this mouth-watering dish. First, pat the steak dry using a paper towel. This step is crucial for that ideal sear. Sprinkle the all-purpose seasoning, onion powder, and pepper evenly on both sides. Press it in gently to ensure every bite is packed with flavor. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat and add the olive oil. Wait for it to shimmer. This means it is hot enough to give your steak that signature golden crust. Carefully lay the steak in the pan. Listen to that sizzle. Let it cook undisturbed for 3 to 4 minutes to build that beautiful crust. After 3 to 4 minutes, flip your steak. Cook the other side for the same amount of time. If you prefer it well done, reduce the heat and cook for an extra minute or two. Now, for the fun part, flavor magic. Add the butter, the rosemary, thyme, and those aromatic smashed garlic cloves. As the butter melts, start basting the steak. This step takes the dish to another level of deliciousness. When the steak reaches your desired doneness, remove it from the skillet and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Resting is key. It locks in those rich juices, ensuring every bite is tender. Now, slice the steak against the grain. Look at that, perfectly crusted on the outside and juicy on the inside. It is a steak lover's dream. Now it is time to plate up. Drizzle some of the garlic butter over the steak for an external layer of flavor. You have just created a restaurant quality dish in your own kitchen. Mmm, absolutely divine. Thanks for joining me on I Love Cooking. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing recipes. See you next time for more kitchen adventures.